We are from the Smethport Area School District, and we're competing in the 2022 What's So Cool About Manufacturing competition. Today, we're heading to Georgia Pacific in Mount Jewett.
Georgia Pacific is located in Mount Jewett, PA. There are 180 plus Georgia Pacific facilities and 30,000 plus employees in the United States. In this facility, they make medium density fiberboard, or MDF. MDF is used in flooring, cabinetry, and furniture. Check out some of their careers.
I am the environmental manager here. I basically maintain, the compliance for the facility. For my position, you need to have a degree in environmental.
Well, I am an inside refiner operator, so I have three main things I'm looking at: fiber quality, moisture control, and fire system. The biggest thing that helped me, I would say, was my classes I took in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint.
Press operator. I run from the Thayer scale to the press out feed. A lot of on-the-job training, no degrees are needed.
I'm a process improvement manager. You have to have a good, strong engineering background, good, strong mathematics background. You want to make sure that you understand and take science courses because those two things integrate together.
The most important responsibility is the responsible person, right? When you're talking about stewardship or compliance or rules to operate a business, someone has to make sure we do that. Outside of that, it's manage the business, provide results based on your business plan, develop and promote education and opportunities for all your employees. Associate's degree, any education will help you. Just a continuous learning attitude to learn something every day in this business.
The best part is that there is other facilities, so you're not on your own. You can talk to others and bounce things off of each other.
Dealing with people.
Georgia Pacific actually builds an environment. They have the resources, they have the tools, right, that allow you to actually grow.
For me, it's watching others grow, the success others achieve. The process itself, I guess the end result, all those components that go into people, the equipment, the customer.
You're taking something and turning it into something useful that we can use in our homes and offices and other businesses.
It's definitely the learning.
Developing new products, problem solving, and dealing with people.
One thing I can say about manufacturing is it's busy all the time. You're never bored. There's always challenges. There's always opportunities to learn things.